Hello, Oliver. Hi, everyone. My doggy, Oliver. So scared when there is a thunderstorm. So that's why wherever I go, he's following on my side. Following me wherever I go. So you see? Because there's a thunderstorm here. Oh. Let's say I'm going to the kitchen. He's going to the kitchen as well. And now he wants to sit down there, but supposedly he's not allowed to sit down there. Look at him. Are you scared, Oliver? You don't have to be scared, darling. Did you hear the thunderstorm? Yeah? You don't have to be scared, okay? You're a big man. You're a big boy. Okay? Oliver. And where's the other one? Stella! Where are you? And now he's moving because he can hear the thunderstorm. He wants to get close to me. When I'm sitting down on the sofa, he wants to get close to me. Are you, Oliver? Now he's going back to the kitchen because he's very scared, you know? He's gonna be safe in the kitchen. He's an easy doggy. He's going back again. Poor Oliver. You don't have to be scared, darling. It's okay. Just sit down and relax. And the other one. Look. Stella. She's happy. Stella. Stella. Hello, Stella. Stella. Stella, come here. You wanna say hello? Hello. Hello, Stella. How are you, darling? You're so sweet, are you? You know there's a thunderstorm. Are you scared? No, you're not scared. You're not scared, darling. I know you're not scared. Just only Oliver. Oliver, what are you doing there? Come here. Come here. Stella is blind, the other eye. You see? I show you. Stella, face here. You show your eyes. You see that? The right eye is okay. The blind one is the other side here. You see? But she's still fine. She's a sweet dog. She's always kissing on my hand and say hello. Are you? Can I see your tail? You wanna say hello and shake your tail? Hey. Hey, Stella. Wanna kiss ya? Wanna kiss me? Okay. Kiss? 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 Oh, you wanna bless? Okay then. How about you, Paul? Paul? There you are. There you are. Good girlie. You're such a good girl. Princess? You're a princess. You're really a princess. Are you? Stella, you're a princess. Ollie, come here. Look, she's happy. Are you happy? Ollie, come here. Oliver, you're hiding behind the sofa. Come here. Alright. Hello, Stella. Beautiful Stella. Are you sleepy? Yes. Yes. You wanna say hello to me? Face here. Stella, look at me. Here. Sit. There. Alright, you say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, little one. So sweet. Okay then. Bye for now.